Okay, so welcome back to another section of simultaneous equations. Today we want to look at elimination substitution method. Elimination substitution method. This method will seem to be easier if you understood the previous classes that we've dealt with so far. So in this method, you are going to decide a particular equation you want to use and the variable you want to eliminate. And once that is done, the answer you get is just to substitute in the next other equation, and you get the result as simple as ABC. In our previous class, we've dealt with elimination method. I've shown you how to eliminate X and how to eliminate Y. Do not forget, I'm using the same equation that I used in the previous classes. So let's consider equation 1. I want us to eliminate Y directly. Now, y in the two equations have the same coefficient, 1, 1. You can see that, but the signs are different, -1 and +1. And I've notified you that if the signs are the same, you should subtract the equations. If the signs are the same, you should subtract the equations. If the signs are different, you should add up the equation. But right away, the signs here are different, -1 +1, -1 +1. And I said, if you don't know how to go about your integers, then check the class on integers to help you deal with your integers properly. Now, -1 +1 is 0 because you're owing 1 and you have 1. If you pay your debt, you have nothing with you, so your answer is 0. So let's add equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2, 2x plus 3x will give us 5x. Minus y plus y is 0 already. 8 plus 17 is 25. Now to make x stand alone, divide both sides by 5 if you wish to use that method. So 5 cancels out the 5. 5 here is 5. So our x is equal to 5. Our x is 5. So since x is 5, you are going to substitute x in equation 2. Substitute x in equation 2. Equation 2 is 3x plus y is equal to 17. Now, we are saying that x is equal to 5. So, remember we got x is equal to 5 from equation 1. Now, we have to substitute the value of x, which is 5, in equation 2. So, anywhere you see x in equation 2, you have to write 5. And that will be 3 into 5 plus y is equal to 17. That's what we're going to get. 3 into y will give us 17. And that will become 15 plus y is equal to 17. Now to make y stand alone, plus 15 will leave to the other side. Not this plus in respect, but this plus that is here. Plus 15 will leave to the other side. And when it does, it will become y is equal to 17 minus 15. So y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. But take note, do you also know that you could also substitute x is equal to 5 in the same equation 1 and still get the same result? You do not know. That is the truth about it. So let us see what it works. Equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to 8. If you substitute x is equal to 5 in equation 1, we're going to have equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to 8. So in place of x, I'll write 5. So I'll have 2 into 5 minus y is equal to 8. That'll be 10 minus y is equal to 8. 10 will leave, plus 10 will leave, to the other side becomes minus 10. So we have minus y is equal to 8 minus 10. Minus y is equal to 8 minus 10 is minus 2. You're owing somebody 10 and you have 8. If you pay your debt, you're left with 2 to balance that person. That is why your answer is minus 2. Now we have minus y is equal to minus 2. The minus will cancel out the minus signs. So you have y is equal to 2. You can see that? So you write therefore y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5. This is the result. These are you solve using substitution or elimination substitution method that you solve using elimination substitution method. As simple as this. So carefully replay your class or your lessons and get the best out from it. Be sure you're grounded in this simultaneous equation. So in our next other class, we shall be looking at the graphical method. So gradually, we'll be coming to the end of the methods used in solving simultaneous equation. See you in our next